What's up, guys? In this video we're gonna teach you guys how to buy cars like a pro. And so buying cars can be very time consuming. So how is it that we are able to buy these cars so fast and so quick and not make a lot of mistakes? So in this video I'm gonna teach you guys how to do that. But do me a favor, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. That really means a lot because that helps out. All right, so let's do it. Now, in our last video, we teach you guys how to check for paint work. All right, we'll show you guys how to walk around the car. We talk about the tires, how to check for tires, how expensive those can be. But in this video, we're gonna talk a little bit more about your Carfax report. So we're gonna scan the VIN number, which is right there. Remember, we talked about how they are marked on all the panels. And so we're gonna talk about the Carfax report in this video. Now, why is the Carfax report so important? Well, me personally, I would never buy a car unless I pull a Carfax report. And why is that? Because the Carfax report tells you so many things that the car wouldn't tell you. For example, how many owners does the car have? Right? You need to know that, because why does it have 6 owners? Right? And it's only 2 years old. If it ever been in an accident. And now, don't get me wrong, not all vehicles are reported to Carfax, because some vehicles, were repaired and the insurance company didn't know anything about it, and that mechanic might not have reported to the Carfax report. But you still want to make sure you pull a Carfax report. Whether that car has been salvaged, there's no way for you to know that by just looking at the vehicle. If it's a total loss, you'll never know. So these are some of the things that you need to know. So to eliminate all the time walking around the car, driving it, test driving it, checking it out, doing all these things, the Carfax report can give you a lot of information, and it can eliminate a lot of things and let you know, do I need to go forward in checking out this car? So let's go check out the Carfax report, and let me show you guys what to look for in the Carfax report. All right, so accident history. Provide details on accident and airbags deployment if they were reported to an insurance company or repair shop. So we definitely want to know if that car been in an accident and if the airbag's been deployed, because that's going to be really good when it comes to reselling that car, right? If it has airbag deployment, it's going to devalue the vehicle. So you definitely want to know that. Title information indicates if the car has been salvaged, flooded, or rebuilt title. This is very important. For most people that buy salvage titles or flooded vehicles, they know that the car is going to be worth a lot less. So if you go buy a vehicle and it's a salvage title or rebuilt title, then you're going to overpay if you don't know that it has that. So you definitely got to pull a Carfax for you to know this. Ownership history, we talked about that earlier. You want to know how many owners the vehicle have, and if it's personal, rental, or if it's a lease vehicle. Maintenance history, that's a big deal to some people. A lot of people want to know, the maintenance history on the vehicle. Mileage history, that's really, really important, because you don't want to buy a vehicle and the miles are not accurate, right? The vehicle could have 170,000 miles and it's showing that it has 50,000. So that's very important. All right, now, this is what it would look like when you pull the Carfax. So it's going to show the year, make, and model, the VIN number. You're going to have the engine size, whether it's all-wheel drive. This one show no accidents. And then you're going to scroll down where it have additional history. And here it's going to show with the green mark on the side, showing that total loss it's good. Structural damage, airbag deployment is good. Odometer check is good. And so that's the green mark that you want to see on the side. And if it's not good, then it's going to have a red mark on the side. So manufacturer recall, And then down here, the detailed history shows the recall, when the recall happened. And so you can get way more information. It digs a little deeper to show you exactly how it's supposed to look. So we definitely want to pull a Carfax report, guys. That's the first thing that we normally pull when we're buying a car. And so just wanted to show you guys this and how important this is and how this will help you to make a quick decision. All right, guys, thanks again for sticking around this long. Thanks for watching our videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments that you want to add to the video, go ahead and drop it in the comments.